Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, anywhere when you day, any part of the world when you day at all. When we say you dey listen to Funky D. I say I greet all of una today. I greet all of una when we say una dey watch Funky D show, una dey watch Funky D news time. So I say thanks to you all. You understand? To my subscribers, thanks to you all. To my viewers, thanks to you all over the world. Right now, me when be Funky D, I dey for a place where they call JTI McDonald's, and this place na very large company. This place where I dey so, you understand? You get one place where they call Rue Ontario. Now there, me a dey. In fact, opposite one big school. See the school? See am here. See the school here? And this is the large company that I'm talking about. It's a tobacco company called JTI McDonald's. JTI. You see him here. See him there. You don't see him. Now there Funky D dey the flesh with him friends. Yes, one of my friends dey here. And again another of my friends where would they wait for? Oh boy, how far? What thing dey happen now? But day. What's that day? Your side, what thing dey happen? My brother, I just did. That guy they come, that guy want to tell you go soon come. So make we sit down for here small. Oh, just just the rub mind small before the guy go come out. You understand? Now wow, okay. Funky D, as you say so, make we just the rub mind here now together. What thing we did they do? You understand? We must rub mind now. Hi, Bob. Now so. Now wow, oh boy. What do you mean that? I remember one day. I say I remember one day, my guy. Hey, the thing when happened to me that day, brother. No be small thing. I say, man. You get one time when I dey drive one old car like that. That my car, my brother. Now they take the go they tap at me. You know, see I be palmy tapper. Now, for me, I like anytime when I see that palm tree, I dey happy, I dey jolly. In fact, with my agbo, Funky D, what be agbo? Agbo now, that thing where they take climb palm tree now. The thing go just there for my back of my boot. That my old car when I dey drive. And inside, one day I dey travel, I say, man, make I just go farm, go see what thing they happen. So that I go do the palmy, I go tap my palmy, come back as my brother. As I dey drive, they play, get one blues where they play. You know that man now they call Phil Collins. You get one music when him play, when the music na agbaka misi. Ona agbaka misi one the music man, it dey scatter my brain. Hey, I just dey enjoy am inside this my car. They go. I just dey enjoy am. They go, they dance. You know, before you know what in that happen, my brother. Hey, I don't know as I dey dance when the music don't scatter out my head. See, man, I don't carry my motor go hit one car like that. When I hit the car, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, my guy. So, when I hit the car, Bob, the get two guys when they inside the car. That day, I say, I know they forget that. This story when I tell you, my friend, I don't want to make people hear them. Because the story they very, very embarrassing. The story, man. Nah, what thing happen Funky D? My brother say, as I did dance like this, as the motor when they my front, two guys when they inside, they just jump, come out, my brother. Say, I don't hit their car. I said, don't hit your car. Where I hit now? Because they make account, they use your hand, they signal. I never know who these two people be, my brother. One be like Mr. Ibru. One be like my brother. If you see him, Bele, Wow. So this one won't be like Mr. Ibu. All these people are not know them before. The other one get muscle big past the one won't be like Mr. Ibu. Then they use hand the signal. Before I know what in the happen, don't just forcefully open my door, the door of my car. Drag me, come down. She may say I hit their car. I say, where I hit? They can't say I hit that thing, that red thing. You know, you get one red thing when they dey back of the car. I don't know what they call them again. Whether that red thing, I don't know whether not the signal that they call them, be na the they call them that red thing. I get one red thing when they back of the car, back where the I been at the not be the boot now. The boot now, funky did not be boot now. Nah be na the gear. No, be like the na trafficator they call them now. So I don't bust the two sides of the trafficator. Before I know what in the happen at the year, the other one they make. I say what? I don't know. See these two people they be deaf and dumb. You know, see for Nigeria, they then get many deaf and dumb in Nigeria. In the street there. Obodo Nigeria. Many deaf and dumb they there. I don't know say these two people then be deaf and dumb. Now so these people begin pursue me. I take off. As I take off, my brother, you know where I land? My brother, when I land one fence, that's how I take hang on top the fence. I just hang on top the fence, ladies and gentlemen. Now so these two OD just grab my trouser. As they grab my trouser, ladies and gentlemen, they won't drag me down. I hang. I say no fit drag me down. They shout, they make that their noise. I say, oh, I don't enter. Chineke me. Who sent me? Hey, I don't enter big problem. Now so that's then go down my trouser and I so then drag my pint come out. Hold my pint for hand. Then cut my pint into two. Then hold one side. Me, I can't hold one side, ladies and gentlemen. I hold one side. And I carry one side with my trouser when I wear. It there for my knee. Hi, Funky D. Where you see these people? My brother. I don't know. These people, they won't kill me. I see them drag out my pint. They just drag and come cut them. Cut them into two. They carry one side worker. My car there for middle of the road. So as they drag that thing come on, I saw bounce enter the other side. Come borrow for there. Come quiet, come chill. I chill where, brother. I just chill, my brother. I say normal person they pass, you not fit see Funky D. You not fit see me, I go just they see you, but no fit see me. Even if say you use your body, touch me, you not go no see na person be I be person. You think say maybe na what do they call this thing? You understand? Now so I just quiet, I not yarn. I not film. I say no dey film and I not come film. Show, my brother, where you see these people Funky D? Man, now wow. See me see wahala. I been they go tap at me. Per me now, I not go tap again. My car now dey for middle of the road. I got the middle of the road. This deaf and dumb boy men, then they for whether they be boys or whether they be men, I don't know. Then they for the other side of the fence. Me I dey for the other side of the fence. Do you understand? My brother, I just did it and I saw one of my guys just come out from nowhere. Hey, I can't dey happy say backup don't come. I can't dey happy, man. Say backup don't come. We say yes. Inside my heart, I can't say yes. Good. Backup don't come. So that in case this OD them bounce on me, I go see somebody won't go follow me bounce back. You know? I go see person won't go follow me days than where. So I can't dey happy. So as this my guy come out, I can't greet him. I dey breathe. As I dey breathe, dog self not breathe reach me that day. Nobody reach me that day. As I dey sweat. I dey sweat. As I dey sweat, my trousers still dey on my knee. Exactly. The guy come dey ask me, say, make I pull up my pint now. Wetin dey happen? Sorry. These people, they for kill you, my brother. They for kill you that day. I said, sure. Man, this guy come to tell me, say, make I just pull up my trouser now. I say, wetin dey happen? I look stressed. I come to tell and say, man, say, wetin dey happen? No, make him look the other side. Say, you go see some two giant men when they for across the fence there. The guy say, no. Say, for where instance, saying they see them. You know, we no need to go forward further. I say, why now? He say, no. No go for that, no one while I no go for that. I say, why they talk? I just want to narrate the story again. Now the guy tell me, say, if not about people when be deaf and dumb, you no one hear that. You no one hear that their noise. You no one hear that their noise at all because you don't jam them before somewhere. But now, be like saying another people when in jam. Because when I tell us to make it people, it be like say you can't see one of them. They can't see one of them. But you not consider the second one. Now can tell us you go for now. You can say no, they be like say no that one. The one won't be like Ibu. Say no that one. The one won't be like Ibu. Say no and where. Say get one place when they meet and one day. Say no one. They don't not just want to hear anything about this deaf and dumb. They are not body. When the body na deaf and dumb. Deny be deaf and dumb. These people, they are wild too much. Funky. So what thing can happen now at the end of the day? What thing can how you can take rescue yourself now? My brother, say as I dey talk that day, my car dey for the middle of the road. When I see some policemen, before this my friend come out, when I see some policemen, I come dey thank God say I don't see people when go rescue me. Now I come dey jump, they shout, help. The police people, these policemen, they bone me. They not answer me. They not just send me. They just drive past me. Cause it's sure. I say I don't die now. I beat these police people. They know these two OD before. As the whole thing they happen like this. I saw this my friend take come out as police pass. I saw this my friend where they tell you now. I saw it take happen. So this my friend come tell me say the one won't be like Ibu. That one won't be like Ibu. Say man, say that guy mean. But that one temper say be like say sometimes they go high, they go low. Sometimes you go tune am, you go high. When the thing come, you go high. And when they go high now, voila. Say don't see the guy they tell me, or the guy when come meet me when I dey inside this mess, when no agree help me. Guy when be Funky D, what they did when he get problem with two chicks and one guy. Now me save him when the girl and the two girls and the boy they wanted to use this broken plate. Broken plate now they call her. They wanted to use broken plate to break this guy head. Now me save him that day. Ain't forget. But as I talk to him, they do like say not send me message. And in fact, he tell me say not send me message. After I done narrating own side of the story, what thing happened between him and another OD before. So you don't get one experience with OD before. That is why no one hear that noise. That sound where they make. You no one hear that. You no one hear that. Say get one day, the one won't be like Ibu when he say see. My brother. You say get one day when he meet him for bar. The guy they drink with two babe. He dey shark with two babe. He dey bust out money now for these two chicks when they carry. You understand? OD. Funky D. So OD they get there, babe. Now wow. OD get two chicks. He said the OD get two chicks. They bust out money. They bust champagne and Johnny Walker. See na Johnny Walker self Johnny Walker na him carry fufu for table with champagne and different kinds of hot drinks. You dey hear me so? I say you dey hear me so? You see the guy they boss out money. Say bet him as in come. As in come, now him jam this guy when be like he before with this babes. Then they boss champagne, they boss Johnny Waka. Say the guy just, I see the guy see him, the only con see him. The only con just grab one bottle of Johnny Waka. Grab him, one for hand like this. He say, he can say big boy. Inside the heart to he not talk and come out. So I say in eye with OD eye con jam. In fact, before their eye jam, he wanted to stand up, go ask for drink. As he won't go stand up, go ask for drink. Now so his eye and the OD eye jam. Now he quiet. Now he relax. Well, he can't take style now well. Because he knows see this guy if he provoke. But he can't talk say the day when he meet that guy, say the temper they low. Say the temper they low. Well. Now I make the OD not yan too much, but they say the kind eye when OD look. See that one surprise and I make him cool down, come sit down like say never won't go ask for anything before you can't do like say one waka. OD the look. Can't say the eye when OD look. OD they tell and say that is the second. OD just they tell and say, for this my zone, you won't come carry my babe. You won't come carry my babe because I know they talk. You won't come carry my babe because I be deaf and dumb. For my zone, you won't come carry my baby. You not fit. You not fit. Even if you say I know they hear, I know they talk. Come carry on now, make I see you. Come carry on. You Chris, my zone, my babe when I the boss Johnny Waka for. Now I won't come carry. Them burn you well. Not near here, not near here. Now so you just take off as that voice say, not near here, not near here. Now so you take off. Because I'm waiting in mind they tell them the expression of the deaf and dumb eye when he take look. Now the guy take off. As him tell me this story finish, tell me say Bob. That one won't be like he bring no one where that guy a dangerous guy. But that day when he meet him, saying thank God well low because that guy temper they low. He can't say, man. So who did he dangerous like that? Oh boy, not try those people. You can't be like say the way when they dance for inside that my motor when they for main road there. They be like say they think say I they insult them with because they see my eye they shake when they dance my blues. They can't spoil my reggae. They can't reggae. No blues now. They can't spoil my blues that day. Yeah. In fact, my motor that day, before you know what they happen, they don't call, they don't told the motor go their ass. I say, okay, no problem. I just borrow, brother. I say I borrow for theirs. The guy narrate finish. Now so the guy just walk as he tell me say, no. You know one just make I carry my cross alone. Make I just carry my cross alone. No, you know one while like no. That their noise, no, you know one hear them. And so the guy can't leave me, brother. I say Funky this just quiet for where I did that day. If you dey pass, say you be normal person, I say you no fit see me. You no fit see me now. Where I want to see Funky D? Now just quiet. They don't make noise, make that say, hey, make these people not go cross the other side, come kill me for you. Now so just quiet like this. I'm not fame. I'm not nyan. I won't take nyan. Oh boy, then the nyan that kind of thing. What do you want nyan to? The only friend now when you say you meet you for there, don't run leave you. In the middle of the battle. Only you just did there. Oh boy, not mind that my friend. You don't know a guy when if not because of me. Those babes, you get two babes. I don't tell you this thing before. You get two babes, two chicks, and one guy when they wanted to use broken plate break this guy head. I mean save on that day. I tell her now. See now so you be. Now so people be. Who I go come call my friend again now? AK don't run leave me. This guy now when be come and when I be think say he go fit be my backup, he don't run leave me. I only me can just stay there. A quiet finish. A quiet finish. So, you know, a lot of things happen. My motto still did their house up to today. I don't allow. I don't just want to see all those kind of people. In fact, where them pass in 3 months time, they don't pass them in 3 months time. Me, I no go near there. Even 2 years time, I no go. No. I don't see enough. These people carry my half of my pint go. Carry my motto, go. Make them carry. I don't give them. I don't give them now. What do you want make I do now? Brother, I just tired for the audio. Those deaf and dumb people. I don't tell my friends. People when they close to me say me make them they very, very careful about those OD. The two OD, the one when wicked pass na the other one, not be the one when look like Mr. Ibo. The one when the other giant one. That one 24 hours, that one temper they hot. They high. In temper the day high and they come the high Johnny Waka, the joiner. You could know how the combination be. Now just day high. Now Johnny Waka be in name. Now they high with all those champagne, the bossa. Hey, Funky, where those people they get money? OD? They carry two babe. What did they carry two babe? And you yourself, you don't get any babe. A whole you don't get any babe. What did they carry two babe? And they see upon that two babe, and they see they intimidate you. They oppress you because you hit that red thing one day for their car. Nah, I just tired. They asked that guy that day say whether he sabi the signal. When I want, then they signal them. Oh, I make a signal them if you know anything when you want signal. I said no. Even my income time is even in eye no go blink them. Because if they see eye blink, I be seeing self na another of their enemy. Then go begin find them again. No, say no one time. You just waka. Make you see as people wicked. Somebody when I don't help. Not be only that one self when I help them. The other day when they still jack am for club, then when them carrying raising trouser like you know now, I know how those policemen jack those people when they do that protest that day. I see them jack this, my friend. All in leg, all in two leg, they up the shake. All in two leg, they up, high up the shake. Now me still cool them down because he say now Funky D friend. That's so then take liver. Now so then take liver. So you got to be Funky D friend. So that you know anybody when you tell say you be Funky D friend, then we say all of us now one. I see that Funky D just enter. Now so then release the guy. The same guy you when abandon me when I get this problem with all the people. Make you see as people mean. That is why I see many OD people. That is the deaf and dumb people full in the street of Nigeria. I be this rule. Here you understand. When they not hear word, they not get eye to see, they not get ear to hear, they not get mouth to speak. Things they happen to them like then they call them cowards. Life, those people they're not in yarn. Things they happen, even then they die, they're not in yarn. They just prefer to die. You know. So these OD people do me something that day, my brother. I not they forget. No. My car see they there. Okay, look now. They permit now when they be the tap self, when they take the survive. People they call me up and down. Where permit now? Permit not they. Hey. Sometimes they go come. I go do like say I want, you know, Pamigo must to come from before you know what it happen. I go just sneak out, go they hang somewhere. Then go they come and say, you never come back. Bring Pamina, Pamitapa. No. Because if they go in the street, they talk say my Pamina be the best in the whole area. Sure you understand. So the Pamina. I don't know if they tap me again. And now the job when I like when they do, now the thing when I sabi do now, you know, to tap me. Because my agbo when they take that is that's why they take climb on top that tree. on top the palm tree. You dey for inside the boot, everything go. Otherwise, I for say make I manage use leg dey waka go the everything now go the go if to see the agbo dey with me or dey for my house that day. Nah, nothing. But me I no dey tap again. These people they won't render their enemy useless. So these two. Oh boy, what did you go do now? What did you go do? My brother now wow. I don't know. I never still know what I go do these people. Who go do these people now? Yeah? I go look for what I go do these people. I need to tap my family.